If you want to complete the path to Glory SBCs without spending a single coin, this video is exactly what you need. I'm going to walk you through the full Fodder grinding loop step by step, from 0 cards in your club to stacking 92 and 93 rated walkouts completely for free. And trust me, by the end of this video, you don't have to worry about Fodder again. Let's get into it. Before we get into the actual method, let me quickly explain why Fodder is so important at this specific moment in FC26. Path to Glory SBCs are expensive. We're talking multiple squads of high rated cards just to complete one player. If you're trying to do that by just buying cards off the market, you're going to burn through your coins incredibly fast. The players who are dominating the market right now are the ones grinding their own Fodder for free. That's exactly what this video is about, building a system where your club constantly generates high rated cards without you spending anything. So the whole strategy revolves around one SBC, the 85 plus times 10 upgrade. This is your best friend right now and the reason this entire loop works. You submit 10 cards rated 85 or above and in return you get a pack with a guaranteed high rated player. Do this enough times and you're consistently pulling 92 and 93 rated cards that go straight into your bigger SBCs. The catch, it requires a team of the week or team of the season card in every single squad you submit, so before anything else you need to sort out your inform supply. 3 ways to do that. First, the 84 plus team of the week upgrade SBC. This is hands down the cheapest guaranteed way to get an inform right now. Do this one before anything else, seriously, don't skip this step. Second, if you have coins sitting around, try sniping informs on the transfer market. The best time to do this is during peak hours when more people are selling and prices naturally drop. Early morning and late evening tend to work best. Third, check your existing club before spending anything. If you have been playing FC26 for a while, there's a good chance you have informs sitting in your club that you have completely forgotten about or maybe evolved. Always check first. While you're running this grinding loop, there are several other sources of free fodder that most people completely ignore. These alone can add hundreds of thousands of coins worth of cards to your club every single week. Think about the season pass. If you have the premium pass, this should be your first priority every time you log in. The early levels are the easiest to complete and they come with massive XP boosts that accelerate your progress toward the higher tier rewards further down the line. Those higher tiers unlock some genuinely crazy high rated cards and a ton of hidden fodder that doesn't get talked about enough. Weekly objectives. I cannot stress how easy these are. List 10 players on the transfer market, buy 10 players, score 10 goals. These take maybe 20 minutes across a few sessions and the rewards are completely disproportionate to the effort required. Always check your active weekly objectives before doing anything else when you log in. Milestones. This is the one people forget about the most. Go into your milestone step right now and check what's there. Some of these hand out 90 plus rated packs just for doing things you'd be doing anyway. Playing matches, completing SBCs, logging in daily, free packs for free. And then the season exhibition. Genuinely underrated right now and I don't understand why more people aren't talking about it. Just getting through the early games in season exhibition gives you an 88 plus player pick and 3 separate 88 plus packs. This is pure free fodder with almost zero effort required. Once you have done all that, here's the exact daily loop to follow. Do this every single day and within a week your club will be completely transformed. Step 1. Daily upgrades. Every single day without exception, complete your daily bronze upgrade, your daily silver upgrade and your daily common gold upgrade. These cost nothing, they take 2 minutes and they are the foundation that everything else is built on. Missing even one day means missing free cards, so don't skip these. Step 2. Mixed League upgrade. Take every single card you just got from those daily upgrades and immediately put them into the Mixed League upgrade SBC. This converts your low rated daily cards into a premium league set completely for free, every single day. Step 3. Build upward. Now take the cards you got from the Mixed League upgrade and use them to craft the 2x84 plus upgrade and the 2x86 plus upgrade. You are actively converting base gold rare cards, the ones that are practically worthless on the market, into 86 and 87 rated cards that have real value and can go straight into your 85 plus times 10 squad. Step 4. Fodder management, and this is the step most people get wrong. Where you're doing upgrades that return 85 to 89 rated packs, be very careful about what you put in. Never submit anything rated above 84 if you can avoid it. The moment you start putting 85, 86 and 87 rated cards into lower upgrades, you're just recycling the same value in a circle and making zero progress. The goal is club width. Having as many different cards as possible. Width gives you flexibility. Flexibility means you can complete more SBCs and more SBCs mean more rewards. Step 5. The 85 plus times 10 loop. Once you've built up enough 85 rated cards through the previous steps, start submitting your 85 plus times 10 squads. Remember, each squad needs one inform or team of the season card. This is why step 1 for getting your inform supply sorted is so important. Each time you're completing an 85 plus times 10, you're getting a backpack with genuine high rated players. Some of these go straight back into more 85 plus times 10s. Some of them are high enough rated to go directly into your path to Glory SBC. Either way, you're winning. Repeat this loop every single day and the results genuinely compound over time. Day 1 feels slow, by day 5 your club looks completely different. Let me be honest with you about how this grind actually looks like in practice, because I don't want to oversell it. To fully complete a path to Glory SBC for free using this method, you're looking at roughly 10 squads worth of crafting when you factor in the team of the week requirements across all your submissions. That's not something that happens in one session. It takes a few days of consistent daily grinding. But here's the thing, even before you hit that point you are constantly pulling value. Every 85 plus times 10 submission gives you a pack back. Those packs are going to contain a 92 and 93 rated player on a regular basis. Even if none of them are specific top tier cards like Saka or Mbappe, 92 and 93 rated Fodder is exactly the heavy lifting material you need for the biggest SBCs in the game right now. And the beauty of the system is that it never really stops working. Once you're in the loop, it sustains itself. The daily upgrades keep feeding the mixed league upgrade, which keeps them feeding the 84 plus and the 86 plus upgrade, which keeps feeding the 85 plus times 10. As long as you log in every day, the machine keeps running. So there you have it, the complete free fodder loop for the path to Glory SBCs. Daily upgrades, mixed league, build a board, manage your fodder carefully and run the 85 plus times 10 every single day, every time you have enough cards stacked up. Stick to this every day and you'll be completing path to Glory SBCs for free while everyone else is burning their coins on the market. Like this video, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.